So here we are, my 82-year-old lovely mother. She's going to start her daily exercises. Would like to show how she does it and how she keeps herself fit, smiling and fit. So here we go. Start. So that's the hand exercise. This exercise also helps the backbone and a left and right movement. So that's the first one. After that, now see her right hand. This keeps her right hand shoulder very well and fit. The hand goes above the head in one round and again the other way. See how nicely he does. She does. And now the left hand. The same movement over her head slowly. एक बार सीधे हाथ से, एक बार उल्टे हाथ से, एंड प्रिटी फास्ट. फास्ट करने का फ़ायदा क्या होता है? बहुत अच्छा होता है उनके लिए, सारे मूवमेंट्स खुल जाते हैं. एंड नाउ बोथ द शोल्डर्स टुगेदर, 5 times in front and 5 times in back. देखिए कितने मन से करती हैं ये. नाउ द फिस्ट मूवमेंट along with the hands. ओपन क्लोज, ओपन क्लोज. इससे क्या फ़ायदा होता है? उनकी फिंगर्स, her fingers remain fit and fine. She opens and closes it. And next is the hands. The hands go up and down and up and down. The whole exercise is hardly 3 to 4 minutes. And see how well she keeps herself fit. Hands go up and down, up and down. This is specially an exercise for spondylitis. She pushes the head with one hand on one side and the head on the other side, slowly and steadily. First the right hand and then next the left hand. See her movement. She pushes it so well. The left head, left side, and with the left hand. This is again another exercise for spondylitis also. She pushes the head behind. सामने से पीछे धक्का देती हैं अपने सिर को. उससे क्या फ़ायदा होता है? The blood in her brains, they start moving, the cells start moving and helps that. Same thing, now pushing the head back with the hands towards the front. That's a great exercise for the backbone and the neck. It helps her full backside. Wonderful for a person at her age. And now, as if she's moving a machine, the hand goes round about in front. Full hand, full round, as if कोई चक्की चल रही हो. First right, clockwise, and then anti-clockwise with the right hand. And now the same thing with left hand. पूरा हाथ घूमता है, गोल चक्कर, slowly and steadily. The whole body gets exercised. Anti-clockwise now. First was the clockwise and now anti-clockwise. See, 82 years, no thinking back. One has to keep fit to move along. काम करते रहना है आगे बढ़ने के लिए, तभी बॉडी फिट रहती है. And now the hands go up and down. The hands go up and down. This helps in breathing also. Papa also used to do it. The lungs get inflated with the beautiful oxygen. That's a lifeline. हाथ ऊपर, फिर हाथ नीचे. अब breathing exercises. पूरे अंदर हवा जानी चाहिए. Complete breathing inside, slowly inside. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. And finally, we will have the nose breathing exercise. Take in air from one nostril and take out from the other one. Breathe in and breathe out. Again, a beautiful lungs exercise. Helps at all times. The difficult times which are moving now, as well as the other times. See how powerfully she is doing. सांस अंदर और सांस बाहर. कुछ मत सोचिए कि क्या एज है. जरूरी बात क्या है, हमें अच्छा रहना है. एंड स्माइल इन लाइफ. सो सी, ये अंदर और ये बाहर. नमस्कार. थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी. एंजॉय योर लाइफ.